Well, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and joining us today, the Director of Student Counseling Services at Rhodes State College, we have Dr. Patricia Hampshire. And thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so mental health, it's such an important topic, and I know in the past we haven't wanted to talk about it. There's a stigma with it, right?
Yes, there's a big stigma around mental health. You know, when people have, a heart issue, they go to a cardiologist. When people go have issues with their legs or they go to someone to seek out treatment. And so it's the same thing when we have mental health issues. When it's starting to affect your behavior, how you feel, your emotions, you can't be afraid to go seek assistance. And Mental Health Awareness Month is about that. It's letting people know that it's okay to reach out and get the help that you need.
And it can be for different reasons, right? I mean, we got stress, depression, anxiety. I mean, just so many things in this world today that, can make you just need a little bit of help.
Right. It doesn't have to be these huge, mental health conditions and that's really what a lot of people think of. They think of these severe conditions, and so they downplay what they're feeling. And it's not always that way. Sometimes we just need a sounding board, someone to kind of help us process things that are going on in our lives. And so when you have depression or you have anxiety, yes, being able to go and talk to someone or see a doctor and maybe even get on medications, those things can help significantly. And so we want people to understand that you don't have to be scared of the process of seeking help. We have to kind of demystify it and make it something that is just normal, just like going to the regular doctor.
Right, exactly. So, students on campus might be a little bit stressed out. Do you guys, kind of nurture them too and work them through that kind of stuff?
Absolutely. On campus at Rhodes State College, we are having so much programming surrounded by behavioral health. We have a counselor on campus, which is me. I will be that servicing students on campus for their mental health needs. We also have what we call the shop, which is our food pantry on campus. We have a case manager on campus to help students connect with community resources that they might need. We have tutoring centers. We have our accommodative services. I mean, we really have spent a lot of time building wraparound services for students so they can be successful in college.
Yeah, that's really important to know that. And of course, then I assume you have also careers in the mental health field. And are they successful careers in need right now?
Absolutely. We are still in desperate need to have behavioral health workers in the field right now. So we have the Addictions Mental Health Social Work Assistant program here at Rhodes State College. And this program is going to get people ready to start working in the field immediately after graduation. They get to learn all aspects of mental health and addiction, which allow them, again, to not only just get into the field immediately, but it sets them up for a great foundation for them to continue on and further their education.
Wow, yeah, some really great stuff. Thanks very much for talking to us today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, don't go away. Noon Edition continues in a moment.